how you can attract high-paying clients for your product and services. In this video, I'll be breaking down some of the steps that you can follow in your business to attract clients and how you can pre-qualify them to buy your services. So I'll be breaking down some of the steps in that. So before moving ahead, if you haven't watched the video on profile optimization, that how you can optimize your social media for your business. So a link I will be providing in the description, so you can directly watch from there. And when your social media channels are properly optimized, so how you can just provide your services to your client, what kind of services, freelancing services that you are providing. So how you can do that. So let me take you directly on my screen. So for that, the biggest thing is that is going to help you in your journey. That is a portfolio funnel or application funnel that you can say. That where exactly you are telling other person that what kind of services that you are providing and how you can help them. And if the person is properly okay with your services, where you are just getting everything at one place, what kind of services that you are providing and what kind of testimonial that you have, and what is the end goal that you can bring for other person. So if everything is okay, and then you are telling other person, if everything is fine, you can book a call with me and we will sit together and we can talk about an offer for you, and then we can proceed our work instead of just telling a person, okay, just give me your money and I will do that work for you, right? So when you are just showing other person some kind of results, then person would be more eager to work with you because person has already pre-framed, person has already seen your work, some of the testimonials and what kind of value that you can bring on the table. So here is one sample. This is the website. This is a one type of application funnel that I use in my service business, and where I provide some kind of designing services. So when somebody is just connecting, it is just a what kind of what kind of all of the services that we are providing. It is just a call to action is just book a call now, and who am I, what is the end result that we are going to bring on the table, what do we do. This is like visual identity creation, website and funnel designing, social media branding, and some of the clients logos as well, what is the process is going to be, and what are some of the testimonials. If you do not have any testimonial, you can work on one or two projects or some of your own projects, or if you want to do for any other client as well, and for free or anything that you can follow and take one kind of testimonial by just providing some kind of services to other people. If you do not have any testimonial, it's all okay. In the upcoming days, that is going to be there. And if everything is okay, like while putting out what kind of value that you can bring on the table, what kind of services that you are providing, if you have testimonial, you can put it out. If you do not have, in the upcoming days, you can directly put it over there, and a person would be okay, yeah, everything looks good, now I'm ready to book a call. So the person can directly take an action from this website, right? And person can go into a call booking page where person can book a call with you, but now person has already seen the designing kind of work, what kind of design the person can expect, when will be jumping on a call with you, with each other, right? So in this area we have already pre-framed the person that what kind of value that we can bring on the table, and now when person will be booking a call, now you need to check it out if the person is a right fit for you or not. That the price that you are charging, if you are charging high, if you are charging any mid ticket or something and all, if the person is a right fit or not. How you can do that, you can add some kind of questions in the calendly, right? If you have a account on calendly, that's perfectly okay. If you do not have, you can create one account to book a call. You can just schedule your all of the calls over here, and with the help of these questions you can actually qualify a person if the person is a right fit or not, right? Like here are some of the questions: name, email ID, what is that thing that you are looking for, do you can you provide your social media links, and why do you think I'm the right fit for you, are you ready to invest or something and all, right? All of the things are which are relevant to my business, I put it over here. And by scheduling this event, I get one notification a person is getting. And then when we'll be jumping on a call, there are two things person would be having a complete clarity about, that what kind of value that I can bring on the table, and that with the help of how the person is just answering these questions, I'll be getting to know that is this person right fit or not, right? So when we'll be getting on a call with each other, and we both will be aware that what we are going to talk about, what this call is going to be all about, and what can be the expectation from my end and from other person end. So it is not going to be a like time waste for any person. So this is how, by with the help of one portfolio funnel, if you're in a providing any kind of designing Facebook ad, any kind of services, you can use this application funnel in your business by providing your all of the best work at one place, and then redirecting a person from that area to a call where person can book a call with you, and then you can test it out in organic with a different method, and you will be seeing that when the person will be on a call with you, there will be so less resistance in terms of money, in terms of any other thing, because you have already pre-framed a person that uh, what kind of services that you provide, what kind of result that people are talking about yourself, and everything will be so okay. I believe you got value from this video. In the upcoming videos, I'll be sharing some of the other helpful tips and that how you can grow your freelancing or service business to just at a bigger level. So happy to see you. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. So I'll be creating some of the other helpful stuff for you. So have a great day to you. Bye bye.